Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2014 Ford Escape SE. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power locks, mirrors, and all automatic windows. It also has power seating and lumbar support, full leather interior, a large sunroof up top, and seats 5 passengers, 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It also has AM, FM, and Sirius XM radio, a CD player, USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, a touchscreen, built-in navigation system, rear view camera, dual climate controls, heated seating, and many more great features.